Now that we've unpacked the device, you are currently looking at the bottom of our uP3K device. This device includes two mini change connectors. Between the pair of them, they support 16 inputs and 16 outputs, 8 in, 8 out on one connector, 8 in, 8 out on the other. On the third connector, you have two isolated inputs and two Form C relay contact outputs. Beside it, there are four DE9 pin serial ports, HDMI, and lastly, there is audio input and output. On the front of the unit, you can see a 7-inch LCD with touch panel, 800 by 480 resolution. There are a series of LEDs across the top and another series of LEDs on the side. These are typically to depict stack lights for operation, going from red, yellow, green, white, and blue. Across the top, the 8 tricolor LEDs range from red, green, and yellow. Along the top of the uP3K device, we have a field bus connection for Ethernet. This is typically Ethernet IP. However, we support various protocols including Modbus, Profinet, and CC-Link. We also have provisions for 2 additional field buses. This comes in handy for protocols such as FLNet, where FLNet requires its own separate network due to its broadcast-based nature. Here we have DeviceNet, which is also a CAN interface. It is also ideal for connecting directly to OBD2 on vehicles. Next, we have a stack light connector, as well as our own mountable stack light. And lastly is the input power connector.